All right, in this video, I'm going to be solving this equation. We have 4x minus 1 over 3 minus 3x minus 1 over 2 is equal to 5 minus 2x over 4. So the first thing we need to do is, how do we solve this problem? All right, this is not the type of equation I solved in one of the videos whereby I moved this to this side. We have the same variable on each term. So the first thing we need to do is to ensure that these two terms are under the same roof. That's the same division sign, because that is the only way by which we can easily cross multiply. So for this left hand side, we need to find the LCM of these two terms. So the LCM in this case will be 3 times 2, that is what, 6. So let's find 3 in 6, 2 times everything here, that will be what, 2 into bracket 4x minus 1. Then minus 2 in 6, that is 3. Then 3 times everything here will now be 3 into brackets 3x minus 1. Then everything is got to what, 5 minus 2x over 4. So we can cross multiply from here. So before we cross multiply, in order not to make it complicated, let me first open this bracket. So 2 times 4x will give me what, 8x. 2 times minus 1, that is minus 2. Then minus 3 times 3x, that is minus 9x. Minus 3 times minus 1, that is plus 3. Then divided by what, 6. Will now be equal to what, 5 minus what, 2x over what, over 4. So before I cross multiply, let me also collect like terms from what we have here. So this one can be written as 8x minus 9x minus 2 plus 3, then over 6 will be equal to what, 5 minus 2x over what, over 4. So 8x minus 9x will give me minus 1x, which I can write as minus x. Then minus 2 plus 3 will give me plus 1 over 6 will now be equal to what, 5 minus 2x, right, over what, 4. So from here we can cross multiply. It has been simplified before we cross multiply. So if we cross multiply, what we are going to be having, okay, so let me use this space. We're going to be having 4 into bracket minus x plus 1 will now be what, 6 into bracket 5 minus what, 2x. So let me use 4 to open this bracket. So if I use 4 times minus x minus 4x, then 4 times 1, that is plus 4. Will now be equal to 6 times 5, that is 36 times minus 2, that is minus 12x. So the next thing is to collect like terms. So we collect like what, terms. So if we collect like terms, we have minus 4x. Then minus 12 is coming here, we turn to plus 12x. Don't forget what I said, any number crossing or any variable crossing the equality sign, the sign will change. If it is negative, it becomes positive. And if it is positive, it becomes negative. So this is still 30. So 4 is coming here, this plus 4 will now be minus what, 4. So minus 4x plus 12x will give us what, plus 8x. Will now be 30 minus 4. That will give us what, 26. Divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 8. 8 cancel 8. So x basically will be what, 26 over what, 8. So 26 over 8. How many 8 can we see in 26? 8 times, that is 3 whole number. So that will be 3 whole number. That's 2 over what, 8. So we can still simplify this. 2 here, 1, 2 in 8. That is 4. That will be what, 3 whole number, 1 over 4. Another way we can simplify this in order to make it easier is, we have 26 over what, 8. So let me put all here. 2 in 26. 2 here, 1, 26. That's 13 over what, 4. How many 4 can we see in 13? We can only see 3. Remainder what, 1 over what, 4. So that is that about that. So I want to believe that this video has helped someone. So please kindly subscribe to this channel, like, share, and comment. And if you feel you want to support what we do, to encourage us to produce more content like this, please kindly go to the description to see necessary information on how to support us as we also commit ourselves to producing more free educational content. Thank you. Your support will be highly appreciated. See you in the next video. Bye.